Is it the right time to buy or sell the SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll be delving deep into the SOXL ETF. We initially published a report on our website on Monday, November 20, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. It's crucial not to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. With this tool, you can tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified SOXL as a buy candidate with a score of 4.31. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 31.56% since we first listed SOXL as a buy candidate 12 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.63% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. Based on the current 3-month trend, there is a potential minus 12.19% change expected over the next 3 months. This means there is a chance of the return falling between minus 50.09% and minus 12.19%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a 49.81% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return ranging from minus 6.04% to 97.22%. In other words, the price might be anywhere between $22.72 and $47.69 after a year. Our latest update on the SOXL ETF brings some positive news. The ETF price saw a strong technical forecast after Monday's trading session. On Monday, November 20, 2023, the SOXL ETF price rose by 4.54%, going from $23.13 to $24.18. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. Now, the big question is whether it can continue this upward trend or take a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced a 5.94% fluctuation, reaching a low of $23.05 and a high of $24.42. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 32.49%, showing a strong uptrend. Notably, the volume also increased alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. Furthermore, there were 3 million more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 56 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.36 billion. Let's take a look at the ETF's performance over the past 52 weeks. The highest price during this period was $28.75, while the lowest price was $8.74. Currently, the price is 15.9%, $4.57, below the 52-week high. However, it is significantly lower, at 93.61%, $354.06, compared to the all-time high reached on November 26, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. Today, let's take a look at some signals for SOXL, an ETF in the stock market. In the chart, we can see mostly positive signals for SOXL. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, which suggests a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these signals confirms the buy signal, with the short-term average above the long-term average. If the stock experiences a downward correction, there will be support at $22.20 and $18.68. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was previously issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 30, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 66.41%. Based on this, further rise is expected until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, which is a positive technical signal. Volume is also rising alongside the price, which further supports the positive outlook. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. One signal to consider is the moving average convergence divergence, which indicated a buy signal. Another signal is the pivots, which gave a buy signal 16 days ago. The Bollinger Indicator also provided a buy signal 129 days ago. Additionally, the short-term moving average showed a buy signal 15 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also showed a buy signal 9 days ago. Taking a look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following signals. The short moving average gave a buy signal 13 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also showed a buy signal 45 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. Let's talk about the support levels for the SOXL ETF. Currently, there is support just below today's level at $22.14 and $20.60. When an ETF tests a support level, there is always a natural risk involved. If the support level is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, the next support levels for SOXL are at $22.14 and $20.60, with an additional level at $18.64. It's important to note that SOXL is considered very high risk due to its high volatility. The ETF can experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band indicates a wide prediction interval for this ETF. In the past day, SOXL had a price range of $1.37, which is equivalent to a 5.94% difference between its high and low points. Over the last week, the average daily volatility for this ETF has been 4.55%. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for SOXL. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This suggests that the stock has the potential to move upward rapidly under the right circumstances. If you decide to enter a position, keep an eye on the volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $22.14. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $23.41, which reflects a decrease of 3.18%. This particular ETF experiences significant daily price movements, making it a high-risk investment. The Relative Strength Index, RSI 14, currently stands at 91, further amplifying the level of risk. Moreover, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom that occurred 15 days ago, indicating a potential opportunity for investment. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Despite the ETF being in a falling trend, there are several short-term signals that indicate a potential buying opportunity. Based on our analysis, we have upgraded our conclusion from a hold/accumulate to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our system suggests that the current price is overvalued. For Tuesday, November 21st, we anticipate that SOXL will open with a decrease of $0.297, starting trading at a price of $23.88. Before we dive into the exciting world of trading, it's important to remember that there is a risk involved. Always consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. At StockInvest.us, we provide information to help you make informed choices, but ultimately, you are responsible for your own investments. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock and hear your thoughts on it. Do you agree or disagree? We value your opinions, so please comment below and share your insights with us. Also, we're curious to know what your target for the ETF is. Let us know your expectations. If you enjoy our content, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful updates. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest, thank you for being a part of our community.